Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a popular video app, Kuaishou. You can see Chinese food tutorials, Chinese license, Chinese cultures, Chinese history, creative products, view of China, PUBG, and arena of weather games tutorial and live stream. You can find everything about China. It is fun and worth watching. Note that the English version, global version of Kuaishou is Kuai. It is a video sharing app like TikTok, Douyin. Kuaishou and Douyin are the top two most used short video sharing platform in China. If you don't have Chinese TikTok, Douyin account, you should get one now. And you can make money through watching videos on Kuaishou. One of my genius foreign friends, he used Kuaishou to make money and pay for QQ VIP account. That's really a smart idea. I could never think of that genius idea. Maybe you should try. You can install Kuaishou on Google Play Store or Apple Store, or Kuaishou official website, kuaishou.com. You might not find the Kuaishou app on the Apple Store. If so, let me show you how to download Kuaishou on kuaishou.com. Open your browser on your PC, type in kuaishou.com and enter it. This is Kuaishou official website. Short video, live stream, nearby, long video, comic and animation, drama, movie, act fun. You can search on here. Let me enter foods, 美食 here and search it. You can see all the results are foods. And you can click on here to upload video. But you need to click here to log in first. I tried to find a Chinese Kuaishou download link, but I just cannot find it. Finally, I found it here. Click on this QR code to download Kuaishou app. You need to scan the QR code to get the Kuaishou download link. You can use any app that has the scanning feature, like WeChat, QQ, etc., and copy the link of the scanning. But I recommend you to use Firefox Android or Firefox iOS because Firefox browser on your phone can scan the code directly and download it. Open Firefox browser on your phone and click here. Tap the scanning icon here, point your camera to this QR code and download it, install it. Now register Chinese Kuaishou account. Click on agree to the privacy policy. I said you can earn money through watching videos or sign in Kuaishou every day. Here it shows I can earn 1 yuan Chinese money in the first 6 days by signing in, and the last day sign in I will get 2 yuan Chinese money. Click here and get reward. Of course you need to log in, and there are extra money earning activities. It is 50 yuan Chinese money you can earn. Kuaishou is better than Douyin to use for foreigners because it has English language UI. Not like Douyin, you need to read Chinese characters only. Now, let's create Douyin account. Select your region code and enter your phone number here. Check the privacy policy here and click on Get Code. After that, you will receive an SMS code. Enter it. In this way, it will skip the password setting, so you need to set a password for your Chinese Kuaishou account. It is highly recommended. If you fail to create Kuaishou account via phone number, then you may try to log in with QQ account, WeChat account, or Weibo account. Before you log in Kuaishou account via WeChat, QQ, or Weibo, you need to log in then first on your phone. If you want to log in with WeChat, click on WeChat icon here and click on confirm login. If you want to log in with QQ, then click on QQ icon here and confirm it by clicking on 确定, or click on here to enter your another QQ account to log in with. To log in Kuaishou account with Weibo, click on Weibo icon and allow for Chinese social media. You can log into almost 90% Chinese websites or apps, just like Google account, Facebook Messenger account, and Twitter account. If you don't have them, please watch my other videos or go to my website chinahackforyou.com to get at least one. It will save your time, especially when you fail to create account for Chinese website or apps. You can use either one of them to log in Chinese website with them directly. Or you can go to Kuaishou.com to sign up or sign in Kuaishou account. Click on 登录, select your region code, and enter your phone number. Click on 获取验证码 to get SMS code. Enter the SMS code here and click on here to log in. Or you can click on WeChat icon or QQ icon to log in with WeChat or QQ account. If you already logged in Kuaishou account on your phone, click on the search bar and tap the scanning icon. Point your camera to this QR code to log into Kuaishou.com. Okay, if you're interested in Chinese social media or Chinese language, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or go to my website chinahackforyou.com. See you guys!